Hello, I'm Pietro, and I'm here at the Innova Lab of CampuStore. Now I'm going to introduce you to this kit called CampusGarden. What is CampusGarden? This is a comprehensive educational kit, which was meticulously designed by our team and significantly enhanced with advanced Arduino technology. It consists of a fully functional mini greenhouse, which you can see right here, that is capable of housing various types of plants. These plants are constantly monitored and precisely controlled by a powerful Arduino MKR board to ensure optimal growth conditions at all times. An Arduino MKR board allows for Arduino cloud connectivity, so you can collect data from these plants, these little plants, these flowers that basically become talking plants. You can observe their real-time values as well as historical data. And you can also intervene. For example, if the plants need to be watered, need a bit of water, need some light, or need a bit of ventilation. So included in the kit, which has everything you need, there's a small water pump for watering the plants. There's also a compact auxiliary side-mounted fan to effectively circulate and distribute the internal airflow, so you can constantly circulate the air within the unit. And right here, as you can clearly see, there are also specialized integrated lights to, for example, actively stimulate and accelerate biological processes such as natural photosynthesis. It has temperature sensors, carbon dioxide sensors, and also includes a lighting system, a watering system, and a ventilation system. All of this controlled by Arduino technology using an MKR board. It's connected to the cloud. Of course, it is important to note that all of these various operations can also be performed entirely offline, and not necessarily through a cloud-based system. However, it is truly and remarkably interesting to have the convenient option to interact with our living plants from a remote location at any time. This item actually needs to be fully assembled by hand. Fortunately, there's a very helpful little instruction sheet included that provides clear step-by-step assembly directions, all the necessary metal screws, and they even provide a handy mini screwdriver for secure fastening. Every single detail is also comprehensively explained and demonstrated in the video lessons that are included as part of the kit.